If you no longer need your MailerLite account and wish to delete it, follow these steps. Log into your account. Go to the MailerLite website and log in using your credentials. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Navigate to the Plan tab. In the Account Settings, go to the Plan tab, where you manage your subscription details. If you have an active paid plan, you will need to cancel it before proceeding with account deletion. Request account deletion. Scroll to the bottom of the page, where you will find the Delete Account option. Click on Delete Account and the prompt will appear asking you to confirm the action. Confirm deletion. MailerLite will ask for confirmation before deleting your account. Make sure you've backed up any necessary data, as deleting your account is permanent. Confirm by clicking Yes, delete my account. Final confirmation. After confirmation, your account and data will be permanently deleted, and you will receive a notification.